Hello everyone, welcome to Raw Perfect classes. My name is Rachna Rana. I have 20 years teaching experience. Today I am going to discuss about what is a symmetric. It is a topic of matrix. A matrix is a symmetric. A matrix is a symmetric if and only if and only if A matrix is equal to transpose of A matrix. Transpose of A matrix. A matrix is a symmetric if and only if A equal to A's transpose. For example, A is equal to 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 5. After transpose of A matrix, we get 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 5 means same values of both matrix before transpose of A matrix or after transpose of matrix, both are the same values. That is called the symmetric. What is a skew symmetric? Skew symmetric means a matrix is a skew symmetric if and only if A is equal to minus A's transpose. Means after calculating the transpose of A matrix, we subtract the we put the sign minus all the with all values like this. For example, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 0. And after transpose, we get the 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 2, minus 3, 0. And after put the sign with these values, we get 0, minus minus plus 1, 2, minus 2, plus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 3 change into plus 3, minus 2 change into plus 2, plus 3, minus 3, and 0, 0. Now you can see that after the transpose of A matrix and putting this and substituting the sign minus with these elements of matrix, we get the same matrix which is given already in question. In other words, we can say that matrix A is set to be skew symmetric if transpose of a matrix A is equal to negative of matrix A. A transpose is equal to minus A. You should be keep in mind all the diagonal elements are 0 in skew symmetrics. You can watch it here. These are the diagonal elements and these are 0, 0. Now I am going to discuss about what is a determinant. In a previous lesson 4, we already gave you example of determinants, how to calculate that determinant. In this chapter, we discuss about what is the definition of a determinant and what is the meaning of what is the meaning of a determinant. It's a special type of number which is calculated from a square matrix, which is calculated from a square matrix, whether that matrix will be a 2 by 2 matrix, that matrix is a square 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix. In this question in this lesson we discuss about only 2 by 2 matrix. Here we take the example 4 3 5 2. This is the 2 by 2 matrix, and how to calculate the A determinant, and we denoted A determinant with this sign bracket star A11 multiply A22. This is a A11 element and this is a A22 element. Both multiply with each other like this, and then take the sign minus, and after that A21 multiply A12 this way. And after substituting the values of these A11, A22, A12, A21, 4 into 2 minus 3 into 5. 4 into 2 is 8 and 3 into 5 is a 15. After subtracting the values, we get the minus 7. This is the determinant of a matrix, and it is the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, that is a square matrix. So we can say that it's a special type of number which is calculated from a only square matrix. Now, what is a singular and non-singular matrix? Singular and non-singular matrix, when we get determinant is equal to 0, when you get determinant equal to 0 means if you get the result of a determinant 0, then you can say that that is a singular matrix. But if you get the determinant not equal to 0, not equal to 0 means you get the result in minus or in plus values, that is called the non-singular matrix. If you like my video, if you like my video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and subscribe so that you can get further lessons of matrix, determinants, etc. Thank you.